Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Bold and Beautiful by Tracy. It gives me an immense pleasure to do a makeover on my sister-in-law cum sister cum best friend on her baby shower. Here I'm using my favorite Gulabri toner. To moisturize her face, I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk Cream. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. To prep her lips, I'm using a lip balm from Laneige. I'm using the Maybelline New York Fashion Brown Cream Pencil and the shade is dark brown. To clean the area near the eyebrow, I'm using the Daily Life Forever 52 Faux Color Concealer in the shade AC006. To conceal the eyes, I'm using the same palette from Daily Forever 52. To set the concealer, I'm using the loose powder from Maybelline in the shade Light. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation Eyeshadow Palette and I'm using the shade Neptune. To cut the crease, I'm using the same concealer palette from Daily Forever 52. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. I'm using the Miss Claire Glitter Eyeliner. I'm using the Gel Eyeliner from Maybelline. To cover the pigmented area, I'm using the concealer from Daily Forever 52. For the under eye, I'm using the orange corrector from Daily Forever 52. Here I'm using a damp beauty blender. I'm using a Nykaa Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in the shade Pure Ivory. This is the Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Using a loose powder from Lakme in the shade Rose. To contour, I'm using the Sugar Contour D-Force Face Palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. To blush, I'm using the same Sugar palette. I'm using the Fox Mink False Eyelashes. I'm using the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara, waterproof in the shade Very Black. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Royal Blue. I'm using the highlighter from the same Sugar palette. the MAC lipstick in the shade All Fired Up. And finally, the mama-to-be is all dolled up for her special occasion.